How's it going, everybody? I am here with you today to talk about a couple of Android codes that would be helpful on your phone. Well, one of them is very helpful if you're getting a new phone or if you need to talk to your provider and give them specific information. We'll get to that. The first code I'm going to talk to you about is a hardware info key code. If you go into, you have your phone. This is for Android phones, guys. If you go into your keypad and you press the following: *#, 0, *#, you end up with this. See that? It's supposedly a diagnostic menu. I'm looking at it right now. It says red, green, blue, receiver, vibration, mega cam, sensor, touch, speaker, sub key, front cam, black, Hall IC, MLC, loopback, and version. Now, I'll be honest with you. I don't know what half these keys are. I don't. If you hit the red, it literally gives you a red screen. I mean, you swipe up to get out of it. Green, it's the same thing, swipe out. Blue, same thing, swipe out. I guess it's testing if your screen does give you those colors. If you tap one of those colors and it doesn't look red, green, or blue, then there is an issue. When you hit receiver, I don't know what that is. You hit the back button twice and you'll be able to get out of it. Vibration test. I don't know if you're able to hear that, but you swipe up to get out of that. Now, if you hit the mega cam button, it just literally pulls up a camera. And I tried taking pictures. It doesn't save the pictures, so it's just basically testing out your camera. It gives me no information. To back out of that, I have to hit the back button like 4 times. If you hit the button that says sensor, it literally has, well, you can't really see. I took a screenshot. You see that? But the screenshot's not showing you that the numbers are literally changing the slightest motion, because it has a barometer reading, altitude reading, the gyroscope, magnetic sensor, fingerprint test. There is so many things, accelerometer sensor. Oh yeah, there's different buttons on here. If you really needed to know some specific stuff, this is where to find that. You hit the back button to get out of that. Touch sensor, you get this grid, and then I had to hit a volume key to back out of it, because every time you touch the screen, it does this stuff. It's obviously very accurate, and I'm just using my finger. I'm not using a Samsung pen or anything like that. The volume up button did. Now there's a speaker button. If you hit it again, it gets a little lower. And one more time, it does speakers. You can't tell, but it's changing the speakers. And there's arrows, if you can see right there, where the speaker is playing. The first button was all the speakers, second was just bottom, third is just top. Sub key, it just gave me this screen. I hit the volume down button and it changes colors, green, white. And when you hit the back button, it turns to a violet color. I don't know what that is. The front cam gives you a front cam. Again, it doesn't save the pictures, but it does test out the camera capability. Now, Hall IC, it just gave me, you can't really see. I took a screenshot. You can check it out right there. You have to hit the exit button in the middle of the screen. MLC gives you this. Loop back gives you this. Now I'm kind of, obviously it tests the 3 microphones on the phone. And then version gives you the version of your phone and model number and all of that. Okay, well, I hope that helped out somebody on some of that. The next one that I want to talk about is you go back into your phone, and this time you're going to type *#06#, and it's going to bring up your IMEI number. This is what I was talking about before. If you needed to get a new phone and the company needed your old IMEI number, or on your new phone, if you need the IMEI number, if something happens, you got to call your service provider. You're changing service providers. They need to know your IMEI number. If you're buying a used phone, or if you're selling a used phone and you need to have a copy of the IMEI number for the sale, or when you're purchasing it, you're going to want this information to connect it to your company, your new company, or the company that you're with. So those are the 2 codes that I was wanting to talk to you guys about today. I hope this video was informative for you and it helps you out in the future. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.